Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to group objects in MS Word. Let me show you how. Like for instance, some of these objects here are not grouped yet, so you can see different shape right here. Okay, and then if I click on this one right here, you find out it's not a single object. If I click on here, you find out it is another shape entirely. So how can we ungroup? How can we group these objects? Now, for us to group the objects, what we want to do here is to select the object. So press Shift key down and select the second object. Press Shift key down and select the third object. Continue to select as much as possible. So once you are done with every object that you want to group, go ahead and right click. The next thing you want to do is navigate to group, then go ahead and click on group right here. So if I drag this way, you find out that the object has been grouped without any string, has been grouped into a single layer. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use MS Word, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.